is Cary Prince from Cary Prince Organizing, and I am back today with another challenge. For today's challenge, I have invited a very special guest to join us. Mom to a teenager, and there is no better time than now than to instill those life skills into your teen. So I thought it would be a really good opportunity to teach my teenager how to fold his own clothes. So let's welcome our teen participant onto the stage. Come on, Max! Woohoo! Hey babe, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Are you ready for this challenge?
Yep. I mean, I'm seeing clothes, but I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with them.
We're gonna be folding them.
Oh.
And this is where I can now bring you a stack of clean clothes and say, Max, please fold your clothes and put them into the drawer. Can you do it? You wanna try? This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna teach you how to fold your t-shirts, and then you'll be able to say, that's only gonna take me how much time? We're gonna see how long for you to be able to fold those t-shirts, all right? So are you ready for the challenge? We're gonna see how long it takes. You have 3 t-shirts, I have 3 t-shirts. I'm gonna coach you through as we go, all right? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's start the timer. We are rolling. All right, so take your t-shirt, hold it by the shoulders, the very top. Take it out, lay it down flat. Lay it down flat. All right, now take the far side and fold it in just about a third way. There you go. That's a little bit too far. Make it a little bit less. There you go. Okay, and then go this side. And then we're gonna fold it. If we were folding into a shelf, we fold it in halves, but you're putting it into a drawer, so we're gonna fold it in thirds. Right here, third way, and then another way. Turn it over. Nope, let's see the top part. You got that part. Okay. All right, so let's do it again. Let's shake it, and get all those wrinkles out, and lay it flat down on its belly. All right, we're gonna take the far side and put it in by a third. A little bit far too far, but that's okay. Another third, and make sure this is tucked in here so you don't see that. Yeah, and that, and look at that, awesome. Okay. There you go. Okay, yeah, so you need to, also, that's a very important point, is that you fold the width of the space that it's going into as well. So you have, your drawers are about that wide. Yeah. Okay, good. You are getting so good at this, Max. Almost, turn it over, let's see. Let's see the other side. Oops, here we go.
Almost.
We're gonna do this, and we're gonna look at it this way. Awesome, woohoo! That's awesome. Max, okay, let's stop. Oh my goodness, look at that. Are you guys ready for how long it took for us to fold 3 t-shirts, and even with me coaching him? 1 minute and 33 seconds. So what does that come out to?
31 seconds.
About 31 seconds per t-shirt. That's incredible. Max, you have graduated t-shirt folding school. Congratulations. High five. Awesome. All right, I know who's folding your shirts next.
Dang.
All right, thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me teach my son how to fold his own t-shirts. I'm looking forward to some more leisurely days ahead. Thank you everyone for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this challenge and that you are now inspired to teach your kids these important life skills. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary Prince wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.